How can I help you today? Are you looking for a particular smartphone brand? Do you have any specific features in mind? Would you prefer Android or iPhone? What is your budget for the phone? Do you want a phone with a good camera? Are you interested in 5G smartphones? Would you like to see our latest models? Do you need a phone with high storage capacity? Are you looking for a phone with a large screen? Should I explain the specifications of this model? Do you want a comparison with another brand? Would you like to know about ongoing offers? Do you need help with EMI options? Are you planning to exchange your old phone? Would you like a protective case or screen guard? Do you want us to set up the phone for you? Are you satisfied with this model? Would you like to make the payment now? Shall I prepare the bill and pack the phone?